this is a watercolor work. And I know I will be needing my sponge. Point with your finger if you remember where we said our sponges are. Right? Am I supposed to get Mariah's sponge or the sponge that says Suad?
Suad.
Yes, I am not sharing my germs with anyone. I chose today to color a red-winged blackbird. This is my red-winged blackbird. On the wall, I don't think Joshua can see. Oh, sorry, Joshua. On the wall, right by the art shelf, there's actually a color picture of a red-winged blackbird. Right there on the wall. Sonia, can you show us where that is? Can you find the blackbird with the red wing? Right. He doesn't only have a red stripe on his wing, he has also a yellow one. So that can be my inspiration. Now my brush has yellow because I painted the yellow stripe. I wash my brush with the water and then I dab it with the sponge. And then I need a red color for my red stripe. You guys see that I did yellow stripe and a red stripe, just like I saw in the picture. The rest of his body is black. Even his feet are black. Even his beak is black. Thank you guys for being patient. And I should write my name because this is a watercolor. So I'm done with my watercolor. Obviously my paper is wet. I cannot put this in my folder. We have a drying rack. Avery, do you want to show us all where the drying rack is? Look how carefully she holds it with two hands because if it falls on the ground, it's going to make a mess. I need to wipe my tray clean. Boys and girls, I used this pencil, so I touched it. It has my germs. I have to put it in the dirty pencil bin, which is right here. And the teachers will spray it. So you do not take any pencil from this bin. I'm done with my sponge because I cleaned my tray. So what I need to do is take my sponge and take my water. I pour the water down the sink. I I rinse my sponge. This is very important. This step, are your eyes on me? Squeeze. Please squeeze the sponge. If you don't squeeze the sponge, we will have a dangerous puddle on the floor. I will return my cup to my work. Avon, please come and push your chair.
Oh.
My sponge has to go to its home. And my work is beautiful for the next person. 2 thumbs on top, remember? The next work I'd like to show you is a language work. It's a writing work. Let's name what's in the first cup. Goat, shell, frog, bread, boat, boat, goat, boat, shell, boat, frog, boat, bread, boat, goat. They rhyme. Dog, dog, shell, dog, frog. They rhyme. Og, og. Sled, sled, shell, sled, bread, bell, bell, shell. So let's say those things in order and as they rhyme, okay? Goat, boat, shell, frog, bread. Thank you. So this is our rhyming word. Rhyming words pretty much end up with the ending sound that's the same. And the home of this work is on the language shelf. Can you point with your finger where is the language area in our classroom? Right, that's our language area. So these are our 2 lessons for today. I showed you an artwork and a rhyming work. Thank you.